Guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make this Lego butterfly knife. This is what you need. You need 2 of these with 16 holes, one with 11 holes, 2 of these with 3 holes, 3 of these pieces. It's important, it's gray because yeah, 8 of these little dots, I use black ones, and some tiles to cover the handles and the blade. First step is that you need these tiles, and you're gonna put these gray Technic pieces in this 3-holed other Technic piece, like so. Then you need these tiles and these black ones that I use with 16 holes. You need to put them like this. Then you're gonna put the other black Technic piece with 16 holes, like so. Then you're gonna need the Technic piece with 11 holes and put it in the middle, but be careful because it needs to be like this, like one little thing like this. Then you're gonna put this thing into the Technic pieces, like so. And basically this is the mechanism of the butterfly knife, but this way it's not looking good, so you need to cover it up. These little dots and these tiles. These tiles are for the handle and the blade, and these tiles are for decoration, to make the edges more smoother. You're going to put the little dots in the end of these Lego Technic pieces, like so. You need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Then you're going to grab these tiles and cover the handle up until it, like so. Like so. You're gonna repeat this with the 2 handles and each side, so I'm gonna quickly do that. You need to grab the 4 dots that remained and put it like so, like you see, like this, with each of the sides. Grab these pieces and cover the rest of the handle like this. You'll see in a minute, yeah, like this. After you finish the handles, the butterfly knife should look like this. The blade is too thin. I used some of these gray pieces to make it look better. You finished the blade, the butterfly knife is finished. You see, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, if you wanna see a tutorial when I teach you to flip this knife, like some tricks, then give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.